Two-factor authentication, not working on FactSet Mobile Fix. When your two-factor authentication isn't working on FactSet Mobile, it can stop you from accessing the financial insights you rely on, but the fix is usually quick and straightforward. The surprising truth is, most issues come from small device settings rather than FactSet itself. Start by checking your phone's date and time. FactSet's authentication codes are time-sensitive, so even a small mismatch can cause rejection. Open your device settings, turn on Set Automatically, and verify your time zone. Then, open your Authenticator app and resync the time per codes if that option is available. If you use text message verification and aren't receiving codes, toggle airplane mode on and off or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes carriers block or delay automated texts from business services like FactSet. Next, make sure both the FactSet mobile app and your Authenticator app are updated to the latest versions. Security updates often include phone improvements, and using outdated software can cause silent failures. If you recently changed phones, reinstalled apps, or restored from backup, your previous connection will no longer work. Use FactSet's Can't Access Two-Factor option on the login page to verify your identity and reset your authentication. Here's something most people forget. Ensure notifications are allowed for both FactSet and your Authenticator app. Without notification access, you may not see approval prompts that are being sent in the background. And finally, keep your backup recovery code secure and offline. Power your emergency key if your device is ever lost or reset. So if two-factor authentication isn't working on FactSet Mobile, start with syncing your time, updating your apps, and resetting for if needed. These simple fixes can get you back to analyzing markets quickly and securely.